dream star in the vast expanse of the night sky. A single star shines distant yet near, a beacon of hope, a dream so high, guiding hearts through shadows and fear. I reach out with trembling hands, yearning to grasp celestial light. A dream that dances never lands, a promise of day in the darkness night. O star of dreams, so far away, you whisper secrets of the unknown. In your glow, I find my way, a path to a world I've never known. Through trials and tears, I hold on tight to the vision of you, my guiding star. In your brilliance, I find my fight, a reminder of who we truly are. For dreams are stars that light our soul, a journey of hope, a quest for more. In your shimmer, I find my goal, a dream that's worth fighting for.